Hi friends, this is Rachel Chidinma Crochet. Today I will teach you how I transform this sole from this to this. Just watch it out step by step. I made these sandals with a used sole, old sole, and it came out so beautiful like this. If you are liking this video and you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please click the subscribe button below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first to receive my video anytime I upload. Now, let's go to the video. So here I'm removing the insole. Just be watching. So I will remove everything. But I will show you what I used to remove it. You can see this knife. You can see it. Just watch out. You can see it. So I will use it to cut off all the thread. That's it. All this white thread you are seeing here, you cut it off. So as you are cutting, please be careful so that you not cut off your sole. You can see it. So you discard the insole. We are going to replace it with a new insole. You can see it. So you work on the sole, make it neat. You can see it. Wash and polish. You can see it. So here is the insole and the lining. So I'll be fixing it here. So let's go. So I'll be using 3 size 9 brown thread. You can see it. So let's create the foundation. So I've already created hole on the sole. I already have video on how to work on your shoe sole, as in how to create hole, crochet on your shoe sole, and fix your insole. I already have the video, but I will drop the link on my description box for you to watch it. You make your knot. Then on the next hole, just watch out what I'm doing. So I'll be working this now with slip knit. You can see. So after doing this now, I will crochet on my insole and fix it on the sole. You can see the holes. Then after fixing my insole, then I will then make any design I want on the top. You can see it. So you continue with that. You go around the sole. You can see it. Yeah, I'm done with it. So go ahead to crochet on your insole, then you fix. Then you create any design you like on your own sole. So this is where I end it. You can see it. So that's how I made it. Like I said, I will drop how I fix the insole on the description box. Go there, you will see it. So you can see it, and this design, I've already made it before. I have the video how to make this design, this particular design. So go to my channel, you also see it. But then I will also drop it on my description box. So that is how I made this. Do you like this? If you do, and you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Please share this video to your friends. More videos are coming. How to make different types of shoes design. Thank you. See you on my next video.